Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love From Lizi October 2022 card kit just arrived today and it's just beautiful. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. The name of the kit is Autumn Friends. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's ivory, black, white, a soft yellow, and orange. This month the kit includes 4 12 by 12 sheets of cut-aparts, although they have been cut down simply to fit inside the box. On one side there are sentiments and images that you can cut apart, but if you don't want to use any of those, you can always flip over the paper and use the design on the opposite side. I love the variety of sentiments. Lots of hellos, smiles, thank you, very positive and uplifting. The next sheet has a variety of borders you can trim out. A couple of them do have sentiments, but most of them are images. And on the opposite side, there's some nice black and white stripes. The final 2 sheets have lots of little sentiments and sayings. You could trim those out, add them to a scrapbook, a planner, or a card. And if you don't want to use any of those, you can always use the green tone-on-tone design on the opposite side. The pattern paper this month is 6 by 8 inches in size. It is single-sided. Several of the designs have a beautiful foil finish on them. I believe I counted 18 sheets, and I love the variety of different patterns. This is one of my favorites, some diagonal stripe with the beautiful foil finish. There's some tone-on-tone patterns. Here's a fun gardening. This one is super shiny. And with the pattern paper being 6 by 8 inches in size, you can get 2 backgrounds for A2 size cards from each sheet. So you really do have a lot of pattern paper in this kit. There's one with lots of cars, some vans, another favorite, a pink background with some foil flowers. We have some gingham, some picnic baskets. Here's another sheet of cut-aparts, and all of them have that foil finish. And then the final sheet has 2 recipe cards. Next we have the stamp set. Lots of beautiful designs. Even if you don't do any coloring, this would be a great set for heat embossing. And there's also some lovely fall sentiments on it. There's a brand new color of peel-offs. This is the pinstripe style in the olive green mirror color. There is a coordinating ephemera pack this month. Lots of great images. And many of the ephemera pieces are printed on acetate. And these work really well on pretty pattern paper, especially a tone-on-tone design, so you don't lose that beautiful image of the ephemera. I'll go through these quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. There's tags, there's vases with flowers, there's a little kitty, there's puppies. I love the round frames with some floral along the edge. You can put that right over a sentiment. You have pears, there's a bear on a bike. There's an image of a man and child walking a dog. There's another one with a little family, more florals, a guitar, candles, a little girl doing a puzzle. I love the little fox. And then the final one is a journaling card. The next item is a set of tags that match with the pattern paper, and these are printed on some nice heavyweight cardstock. We have a thinking of you, hello. There's another thinking of you, a thank you friend, and also celebrate. And I believe the tags are also available as an add-on. So if you want some extra, you can always pop those in your cart. Next up we have 5 skeleton leaves. They have a metallic look to them and they're all different colors. And each kit will receive a different variety. They won't all be exactly the same. The next item is the sample size bag of sequins. Lots of lovely colors that match the pattern paper beautifully. For embellishments this month, we have a set of wooden dots, and Lizi has included these in a kit before, and they're really fun. You can add some color to them with ink, you could do some spritzing on them, lots of options if you don't want to keep them plain. There are also 8 rose gold photo corners. And then a really fun item, we have 3 metal keys, and these do have some weight to them. My daughter saw these and she already wants to steal them from me. She said I'm only allowed to use 1 for my 10 cards. The next bag includes a unique item. It's sequin ribbon. So it's super shiny since it's a bunch of sequins all stringed together. The kit includes red, gold, and also orange. Perfect colors for autumn. Sometimes Lizzie finds some really fun and unique items to pop in her kit. The final items included are the dies, and there are 3 this month. There's a sentiment just for you, so it's always nice to have a good general sentiment. And there are also 2 leaves that you can use together or individually. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's October 2022 card kit. I did receive some add-ons, and I'll start with the special edition Christmas kit called Adore Him. And this is an exclusive Love From Lizi kit. My favorite thing about this kit, it's a Christian themed Christmas kit. And sometimes that's really hard to find. Generally, I can find at least 1 paper pad out there that is Christian themed, but I haven't been able to find any this year. So when Lizzie showed me this kit, I was so excited. The kit has a nice large stamp set. We have the 3 wise men, baby Jesus in the manger, and also Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. Plus lots of great Christmas sentiments. There is a full 24 sheet paper pad. This is 6 by 6 inches in size, and it is single-sided. And the papers are a really nice heavy weight. I'll go through the papers fairly quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. And there are 2 of each design. And some of the pattern papers, you could fussy cut out the images. I love this sheet with all the sweet little angels. There's also a pack of coordinating ephemera. And I will lay out all of the pieces so you can see everything that's included. There's a 6 by 6 inch embossing folder, beautiful star. And I was trying to open up the embossing folder, but it was not cooperating for me. But you can see that beautiful pattern on the star. Lizzie also included 2 sheets of peel-offs. We have the mini stars in gold mirror color and the brown mirror color in the pinstripe style. There's also a die included. It's a beautiful image of the Christmas star. That'll look lovely cut out of some gold specialty cardstock. And the final item that's included is a pack of gem stickers, and they have a beautiful gold glitter look to them. Now here's a look at all of the ephemera that's included. Several of the pieces do have duplicates, and I did stack them on top, so it's kind of hard to see. So lots of great images that work beautifully with the pattern paper. And the Adore Him Special Edition Christmas kit is available individually. You don't have to subscribe to purchase it. Next up are the 2 peel-off bundle packs. Both of them have 6 sheets of peel-offs, and they're all the pinstripe style. The set on the left is the metallic set. We have gold, gold mirror, silver, silver mirror, rose gold, and also copper mirror. The set on the right is the naturals. There's white, mink, soft peach, apricot, brown, and brown mirror. You can never have too many peel-offs, and the bundle packs are a great price. There are 2 cardstock bundles available. The first one is the A4 Specialty Cardstock Bundle. There are 5 sheets included. There's a white sheet with some rose gold hearts, 2 sheets of glitter, craft, and also a rose gold mirror cardstock. The last bundle is the metallic cardstock bundle, and there are 8 sheets included. 4 of the sheets have a mirror satin finish, and the other 4 have an embossed linen finish. It's really pretty. Now here's another look at the Love From Lizi October 2022 card kit. The theme is Autumn Friends. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And I do have links for subscribing in the description box as well. If you are interested in purchasing the kit, I would suggest not waiting. Some of her kits have sold out really quickly. You can also purchase the exclusive Adore Him Special Edition Christmas kit. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using both of these kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.